This video is for educational purposes. Closed captions have been left on for the hearing impaired. Welcome to our journey through space. We're diving into the incredible story of NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft and how it recently lost communication with planet Earth. Voyager 1 is a space probe launched by NASA on September 5, 1977. Its mission was to explore the outer planets of our solar system and beyond. Voyager 1 was launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida. Its primary goals were to fly by Jupiter and Saturn, providing us with unprecedented data and images of these distant worlds. It also carries a mysterious golden record that was placed on the side of the spacecraft by NASA engineers. This record is a time capsule containing sounds and images representing life on Earth, to hopefully be discovered by other intelligent life that may exist in the universe. Voyager 1 successfully completed its flybys of Jupiter in 1979. It returned astonishing data about Jupiter's gas atmosphere, giving NASA's scientists amazing photos of the big gas giant. It completed its flybys of Saturn in 1980. It sent back valuable information about Saturn's beautiful rings. Voyager 1 discovered new moons, rings, and volcanic activity on both of these planets. After its planetary mission, Voyager 1 began its interstellar mission into the cosmos. Before crossing the heliosphere, Voyager 1 turned its cameras one last time towards the planet Earth. This photo was taken by Voyager 1 from approximately 4 billion miles away. That pale blue dot in the center is our home planet Earth. After the pale blue dot photo, NASA's engineers cut off all of Voyager 1's cameras. It also uninstalled all of Voyager 1's camera software. This was done to conserve power for the instruments Voyager 1 will need on its timeless journey through the cosmos. Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space in August 2012. It's now the most distant human-made object in existence. However, in October 2024, NASA faced a significant challenge with Voyager 1. The farthest human-made object in space lost communication with planet Earth. This communication outage greatly concerned the engineers and scientists at NASA. The incident occurred on October 16, 2024. It happened when NASA engineers sent a command to Voyager 1 to turn on its onboard heaters. However, this command triggered Voyager 1's fault protection system. This fault protection system autonomously shuts down non-essential systems to conserve power. Unfortunately, this included Voyager 1's main X-band radio transmitter, which was not known at that moment by NASA's engineers. 2 days later, NASA engineers noticed that Voyager 1 had stopped sending signals back to Earth. It took almost 23 hours for commands to reach Voyager 1 and another 23 hours for its responses to return to Earth. This meant NASA only realized something was wrong 2 days after the command was sent. NASA quickly realized that Voyager 1 had switched to its onboard backup S-band radio transmitter. This S-band transmitter hadn't been used since 1981. Communicating on the S-band transmitter uses less power but produces a fainter signal. Despite the challenges, NASA's Deep Space Network managed to pick up the new S-band weaker signal. On October 24, 2024, NASA successfully re-established communication with Voyager 1. Engineers are now working to diagnose the issue that triggered the fault protection system and restore Voyager 1 to its normal operations. Voyager 1 is currently more than 15 billion miles away from Earth. It's currently unknown how long Voyager 1 will continue to travel through the cosmos. It has been traveling for over 47 years since its launch in 1977. The spacecraft is now in interstellar space, beyond the edge of our solar system. Due to Voyager 1's vast distance, it takes almost 23 hours for a radio command to reach the spacecraft. This radio signal is traveling at the speed of light, which is 186,282 miles per second. At the speed of light, it still takes Voyager 1's radio signal 23 hours to reach the Earth. This is why communication between Voyager 1 and Earth takes nearly 2 days. Despite the challenges, NASA's engineers continue to work tirelessly to maintain contact with Voyager 1, ensuring that this historic mission continues to provide valuable scientific data from the far reaches of our solar system and beyond. And one day, telling the magnificent story of mankind on planet Earth. We'd like to thank you for watching Odyssey, Origins of Reality. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe, educate, show goodwill, and keep reaching for the stars.